Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ainima Burhatin and my student number is 05. I am from Agribusiness Department, the Agriculture Faculty and University of Trunojoyo, Madura. In this time, I want to apply about export of Indonesia coffee commodity. On Friday, the 3rd of December 2021, the Agribusiness Study Program held Agus lecture on speaker named Muhammad Wahyu Firdaus SP, or as the Madura Batik Small and Medium Business Media Development Time. Mr. Firdaus discussing entrepreneurship, social media management, a case study of small and medium street and comparative. In the discussion, Mr. Firdaus explained about the function of social media for small medium business and comparative, namely building relation and long distance communication, by bragging about the product location, sharing information of activity, a place for buying and selling transaction online because it become a story. The second speaker named Muhammad Yusri Muhtadi SP, or Express Supervisor at PT Sustainable World. Mr. Yusri discussion about honing leadership ability to form entrepreneurship spirit in student. In the discussion, Mr. S. Yusri explained about how to become a leader for yourself, namely 1. Be honest with yourself, 2. Set target, 3. Become a learner, 4. Always doing positive, 5. Humble. Motivation to open an export business Indonesia in location in the tropics, so it as rain have rains and sunshine much all the time, which are essential element for agriculture. Most of the global agricultural commodity can live in Indonesia. This country has abundant fertile land. Indonesia is a major producer of fresh tropical agricultural products. Important agricultural commodity in Indonesia include palm, natural rubber, cocoa, coffee, tea, cassava, rice in tropical sweat. Currently, Indonesia is the world's largest producer of palm oil, clover, and cinnamon, the second largest producer of non-natural rubber, cassava, vanilla, and coconut oil, the third largest producer of rice and cocoa, the fourth largest producer of coffee and tobacco producer, 50 largest and sixth target tea production. Export strategy: 1. Make the right commodity selection, 2. Determine the right export target, 3. Take advantage of social media and technology, 4. Improve enhance production quality. The tip in motivation of them from the quiz lecture are to make maximum use of social media and technology. The rapid development of information technology in first field can be spared from its role in creating, storing, and conveying and disseminating information. Usage of electronic devices such as television, computer, and smartphone. From the device, the emergence of social media, which is of used by the public and to perpetrate their life or conduct their business. A number of business people are starting to focus the marketing strategy by relying on advanced technology. Meanwhile, for comes the application of information technology makes it easier for them to find too good observe the night quality at a fair price. Next, export of coffee commodity. Coffee is a drink made from brewed coffee beans that have been roasted and ground into powder. Coffee is one of the commodities in the world that is cultivated in more than 50 countries. On one of them is Indonesia, which is ranked the fourth largest in the world. The reason for causing coffee commodity to be S4B is because coffee products are embodying amounting to 680,000 tons. The export spec is bigger than domestic consumption. In addition, because of the diversity of type of origin of Indonesia coffee. This is the end of my present. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.